Back in the garage today, working on the 85 LX convertible, better known as Sally. Today I'm going to take the front bumper, right and left fender off. We're going to take the fenders to work Monday. The trunk lid was trimmed out on the underneath side. One day next week, we're going to paint the fenders, the trunk lid, and the rear bumper cover. I'm also going to take the hood off and I'm going to slick it up underneath, and I will be getting very happy to see some real fresh jalapeno red paint on Sally. On Sally, I have the fenders, the front bumper off. Everything looks in real good shape. All this will get painted when the hull gets painted. This side, I'm going to, there's a few chips in the door. There's two door dings in the door. There's two door dings in front of the gas door. Some chips down along the bottom. I'm going to take the molings off, clean them. I'll have to do this side, and then I'll have to take the car and turn it around so that I can get to the other side